There have been just numerous little gems that we'll be able to take home and use for the rest of our lives running businesses. For me, it was kind of a hard decision to make. It was a lot of money, it felt like. But since we've gotten here, it's totally been worth it. I think it's been really good. So
I feel like we got more than we even thought it was going to be. Like we came and we learned all the insides and outs from Tori and Seth, but we also did some extra special little sessions that helped us actually reconnect as a couple. So that was unexpected and it was wonderful. But we learned so much about the business side of it and more than we thought we would have. So definitely beneficial. It's a day and a half, but I feel like we probably have a week's worth of information that we actually did learn. And we've shifted our mindset in a day and a half to know that it is something that we can absolutely do. We just need to implement the tools that we learned.
I just want to say thank you, Tori and Seth. I mean, thank you for being so generous and sharing what you've learned.